I want to make $10 million by 2024, you say. What does that mean? Let's say $12 million to make it easy. That's $1 million a month, right? It's a lot of money for most people. I don't know how it's going to happen. God knows how it's going to happen. So I'm not going to plan what I'm doing next July 23rd to make it happen. That's God's business, not my business. He'll let me know in the moment. What I can do is start to chart out what those goals are and wake up with a daily to-do list. Got to make $1 million a month. What is that going to take? $250,000 a week. Ideas will start coming. Side hustle A, B, and C will start emerging. And God will show you step by step what needs to be done for plan A, plan B, plan C. Those are not fallback plans, they're consecutive plans and simultaneous plans, concurrent. That's what it is to have multiple revenue streams, right? So you're not just putting all your eggs in one basket. Maybe you're doing some real estate. Maybe you're doing a few different types of jobs. Maybe you're writing a book, doing some of your own thought leadership stuff. Get YouTube rocking a little bit, monetize that. You don't know what the steps are until they happen, right? So God will tell you when you sit down and plan your to-do list for the next day. Don't do it that same day. Here's what I'm going to do today. Do it the week before, the day before.